Hello guys, this is the Kukirin G2 Ultra and we unboxed it yesterday on the live stream, so that's why no unboxing part, but we have to play some clips from the live stream,
yeah, because
right?
it was insane. We're live! Come
YouTube.
on, top,
Are
now.
we ready? Come on! Oh, I think I scratched it.
What?
Look at this thing! It looks like a Dyson fan. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, it's not the fan, bro. Stop overreacting.
It's
It's so goddamn small! What? Have you seen the keys? Holy door keys!
okay. Look at what display looks.
This thing is from 2077. Holy futuristic look. It's a... oh. That was the longest peel on a e-scooter ever. Wow.
Wow. Oh my god.
Oh. I didn't think that through.
People want to see the speakers. Oh, we got it.
We have to put something that I would listen to.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1, and go. No!
The planks.
54. Does it look good?
Okay, your neighbors are definitely gonna come looking.
Open it up. Let's see what this baby has in it.
Whoa.
A green wire?
To get the battery out, bro.
Is it that easy?
This is the battery.
Let me hold it.
Yeah, I could easily go around with that thing. It's actually quite comfortable.
No.
No. Oh. We broke something.
Look at the setup. How could this be even worse? Do you know some specs about this scooter?
Dual 800 watts motor. It has 160mm brakes.
Those look like race disc brakes.
We also have speakers.
I think you saw that on live stream, but when I just start the scooter with the house keys, I just take my phone out. I am on TikTok and look at this. The Bluetooth connection is better than on my car.
It also has an 18 amp hour battery with 48 volts, I think.
Show them the horn. Let's compare it to the G2. It's better than the G2. It has a higher pitch. Very big hole in the middle. It's said that this thing has a range of up to 50 kilometers, but I'm not sure about that.
I don't believe that.
Yeah, we have to test that. Right, cute little white helmet?
Oh?
You have the 2024, the 2025, G2Master, and the G2 Ultra. 3, 2, 1, go. I'm lagging behind, but they have like 30 kilos less than me. Let's throttle this thing up and see how much it gets up on turbo with dual motors. 55, 56, 57, 58. Oh, we're entering the roundabout. I got 58 on it.
Impressive.
Is that full throttle? Yeah. The G4 is faster than it, you know?
But, of course.
Yeah, but it's 200 euros more.
How much is this one?
I think 800. Imagine the POV with this display, bro.
Yeah, it's insane.
This thing feels like the concept cars of Mercedes and BMW. Whoa. Wow, the cielo is polluting the whole atmosphere. Go a little bit more in front. Oh, I like the fact that this is like a whole Kukirin lineup,
yeah.
Except the awesome L1 right there.
Bro, look, it's another scooter.
Hello? He didn't give you the hand?
Nah. Honestly, this G4 is so addictive.
He apologized for not giving him the hand. Does this horn give you fear when I come close to you?
Absolutely.
He's blocking the way. Toyota Yaris. It's like when you have the bob cart and you can't go downhill because there is an old lady not speeding up. Oh, the bus!
Take the shit!
Left lane, left lane. Let's do a little drag race. 3, 2, 1, go. Come on, come on. Come on, no! Okay, you get me very bad.
Say hi to my grandfather.
Is your grandfather here?
No, left.
Is the G2 Ultra going to fit through this gate? Oh, you don't have no problem. You have the SML1, right?
Yes, of course.
We can do a comparison on this. Are you ready, bro?
Yes.
3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, the SML1 just got completely obliterated.
It is time for the change. I get this, you get this.
Oh, I'm getting now the slow scooter. I think he likes it. Wow, the L1 is pretty slow compared to the G2 Ultra.
How much did you got on it?
57 I think maximum.
Yes, me too.
Whoa! What have you done to it? How many kilometers you have on that thing?
1086.
You're saying that the back brake won't work on this thing? This is Scotch?
Yeah.
Wow. Well, on acceleration, it's still kinda okay. Let's test his brake. What is with these brakes? They're nothing. That's full brake on his G4. I don't think I can stop this. This is a death trap. Whoa, I can stop. How are you driving this thing? Yeah. Let's try testing this thing without turbo. Disable turbo. Come on. 25, 26, 27. Wait, it's in miles per hour now. 28 miles per hour right now. How much? We have to do the calculations. Look at the speaker location. One here and one here. You see them?
Oh yes, I
They're
see.
really well hidden.
Let's see there.
You want me to test it up in the air? We're gonna put it on the assault. Right? That works.
I think so.
You ready? 3,
Yes.
2, 1, go. 58 right here.
What do you have here?
Oh, some unboxing issues. Want to try the G2 Ultra?
Yes.
He has the G2 Max. How is it?
It's very amazing.
And compared to your G2 Max,
It's better because it's dual.
we got like 3, 6, 7, 8.
6, 7!
Oh my god, bro, I can't escape the 6, 7. You're gonna jump?
Yeah.
Wait, let me film it. Wanna try it too with the G2 Master?
I'm scared.
Whoa! Almost flipped it!
No!
Let's clear the space for little white helmet. Whoa! You were really close to fumbling that.
Yeah, because slippery.
Whoa! Your key is kinda cooked. How did you manage to do that?
I tried faster to.
Oh, so you stole it?
No!
Whoa! 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 I caught that on camera! 4K, bro!
I didn't fumble it.
Though you were really goddamn close.
Yeah, I know.
Whoa! Whoa!
Yeah, it's really slippery.
Bro, it's like on ice. We've got everyone almost falling and kissing the ground. Now it's time to go. You wanna go on the right?
Yeah.
That was not a really big off-road road. He's saluting from the bike. How many? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, again 6, 7. This number keeps following me. I can't escape it. Brain rot is everywhere. You wanna exchange? Try more the G2 Ultra and I try the G4?
I mean, I can like my G2.
He really likes his G4. Oh, yeah, you're annoyed? It's always nice to see blue skies and nature around you. If you ignore the unfinished houses everywhere. You have 267. Oh, no, no,
Oh
there is no
my
way.
God, bro.
Journals is live.
No way.
Yeah, no way. Wait, let's. Wait, we're listening to Journals on the G2 Ultra and he's unboxing the G2 Ultra.
GT 131 euro.
Let's comment on Joy. We're just covered by donations at this point. Yeah, no way he's gonna see it. I'm disappointed. What is that? We have ghost trains here? Not gonna lie, the suspension on this thing is not amazing, guys.
You have a baby horn.
No, my horn is better than yours. It's a bit higher pitch, but it's louder. He responded to my horn! Was that impressive? Oh.
Green done.
Oh, that was close. Here is an ambulance. I thought that was the police in a chase, but it's just an ambulance. You saw that old guy on a Ito?
Bro, the grandpa did not give a f.
Yeah.
Look, he ain't gonna let this lady go.
You are right. Who could have predicted that?
If I could predict the same in Clash Royale,
You would have 10,000 trophies.
but I'm close.
Yeah, you're not even close, bro.
I'm at 8,600.
Nah, you're lying. You have 3,000 trophies.
What?
Yep. Deny everything, admit nothing. First low. I heard that from a TikTok once. The headlight on this thing is like a light beacon. How can you say this thing ain't powerful when it lights up the whole entire street? What's wrong with him? Bro, he's f***ing crazy. You saw that guy?
I saw that guy.
Like literally he was crazy with his little scooter. No, just angry guy.
I'm very thirsty. Let's go get some water.
From where?
Profi.
Yeah, you're right. Here is the Profi. Cheaper, better, and closer. That's the slogan right there. Do you have a cutting thing?
God damn. Go inside to get 2 waters and I'll give you the money.
Alright, thank you bro for guarding the scooters. You are a real watching
I saw
camera.
outside.
Water. 2 Bukovinas. These are my favorite waters. Here you go, bro. Your hydration. It's time to hydrate myself too. The good stuff. Wow. Yeah, I think it's expired.
What?
I'm messing with you. Water can't expire. We have side things too. We have side. Yes.
it's
Where
a
is
pen.
yes?
You filming?
Yeah, I'm filming.
Holy Jesus! I can't.
Is this like a rare find for you?
I can't even speak.
You want a picture, bro?
Yeah.
Do it like this, so you're gonna be seen better. Tell me, doesn't this look from 2077?
It's fire.
And also, bro, look at this. When I enter TikTok,
Oh, it's crazy.
see you, bro.
See ya.
Low-key, most wholesome interaction that I have ever had with a fan. Love you, bro. Take a left, too late. And I meant right, not a left. Priority. Always priority, you know it, it's the rules. Green, come on. There are no lights here, it's so sad. Not for now, though in December it will be full of lights. Hopefully, if you don't get the power outage, or if our mayor can't pay the bills anymore, which is not that far-fetched. This is still picking up pace pretty goddamn fast, even though it has only 4 lines remaining. It isn't that bad.
From 10?
Wait, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, from 10 I think. Bridge? This is gonna be interesting to say at least. The whole entire place is lighted up with blue LEDs. Under the bridge, on the hotel, even the pharmacy and the petrol, everything is blue. Left. Oh, we're going on the tram line. Where we're heading now? Train station?
Yeah.
What the hell? Holy! Yo, that bus scared the hell out of me. Let's get the green light. Come on! Hurry up! Please don't turn red. No. It's too late. Yep. That was a close call.
Yeah.
Oh, the bus is again after us. We're close. I keep my point. This railway station is looking really goddamn creepy. It's stuck in the 60s and there is just a gym right there. Look at how hard they're training. What are they preparing for? This is mode 1 of the headlight. It looks like a square. And this is mode 2.
That's nice.
That's the most powerful headlight on a Kukirin.
Yeah, it is.
100%. It's so eerie though, why there is absolutely no one here. Only that train. I wouldn't drive like that because if you fall on these train tracks and a train is coming, it's over for you. What is it?
It was either a rock or glass.
Let's hope it was a rock. Yeah. No, it was glass. I saw the shards.
Oh.
Enough train station for today. Way too eerie. Come on. Be fast. This is the opposite way of the road. He doesn't care. We're pulling into petrol. We're gonna park it right over here. So guys, I think that's it for today. He's hungry. The G2 Ultra is hungry too. This thing is the pinnacle of Kukirin innovation. You can't get any more tech than what's on this scooter, right?
Yes, of course.
So, I hope you liked it. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you subscribed. See you next time. Bro, it's the outro song from the e-scooter.
Yes, I know.